Sunfire update. Well, we got center console, the fucking nasty ass carpet out, one of the seats. Well, actually got all the seats out. I mean, all the interior. Status, race car. No, I'm just joking. The carpet was fucking nasty though, and I wanted to vacuum underneath the seats and shit, and I'm kind of glad I did, because I mean, look at all this other fucking shit that got shoved underneath the fucking carpet and shit. God damn near. All the fucking plastics out of here. I'm gonna put body filler on the plastic, sand them smooth, and then paint most of this probably white. Have white interior in here. A bit crisper. Replace all the speakers. All the speakers gotta get replaced. The back ones don't work.
But baby, who you on upstairs? Her lips, argument.
Security is now hiring. Apply at callsecurity.com.
Is